Incubator Manager, Sandeep Incubator Association. Our Principal, AISMS College of Engineering, Dr. D.S. Korvane sir. HOD, ENTC Department, Dr. D.G. Bhalke sir, Dr. Vidya Patil Madam, all faculty members, and my dear students. Now I request HOD Dr. D.G. Bhalke sir to address the participants.
Okay, thank you, madam. First of all, I welcome our principal, Dr. D.S. Bormane sir, guest of the today's function, Mr. Jagdish Patel sir, all faculty member and dear participant. So today we have organized this particular session to celebrate the Startup and the Innovation Week in our college. So this is the initiative which is taken by IQSC, Internal Quality Assurance Cell, and Startup and Innovation Cell. So the aim of the government is to motivate our all students towards the startup and the entrepreneurship. So to guide our student for the startup and the entrepreneurship, our principal sir has taken initiative to celebrate Startup and Innovation Week. So in this week, we have organized various webinars and some different events in the different departments, so that all the students will get the detailed guideline about startup and entrepreneurship and the innovation. And in this case, the incubation plays a very, because nowadays the students are having a lot of idea, but they are not getting the support of the finance, they are not getting the support for the marketing, or they are not getting support for development of the product. So the government has taken a lot of initiative to develop the incubation center. There are so many incubation centers are available. So all the information related to incubation plays a very important and the vital role for the student to make their own startup. And the Jagdish Patel sir is a right person who is working as a manager in the incubator in Sandeep Institute or the Sandeep University. So definitely this kind of the webinar on the incubation is going to help all faculty member as well as all students. So therefore this particular webinar is organized. So I again would like to thank our the principal sir, then the IQSC coordinator, the IIC coordinator for taking initiative to celebrate Startup and Innovation Week. Once again, I welcome you all and I wish a happy learning to one and all. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Now I request Dr. Vidya Patil ma'am to address the participants by introducing Innovation and Startup Week celebration.
Thank you, Nauna madam. I'm thankful to ENTC department that you called me for this session, and I will talk about IIC, what that IIC is and what the Startup and Innovation Cell is. We have registered with Startup and Innovation Cell under direction of SPPU, and we have registered with IIC, that is Institution Innovation Council, under direction of AICT and MOU's Innovation Cell. Under this both cells, we are trying to work in the area of innovations and startup. And of course, we need information about incubation. We are in the stage of pre-incubation center. We have not yet started incubation center with our college, but we are about to start incubation center in our college. But if students wish to start their startup, if students are having some ideas, if they need any kind of support, different incubation centers are there near our college. Bhau Institute is there, Science Tech Park is there, where we will get incubation center support. So I'm appealing you all, if you wish to do your own startup, come ahead and just talk with Dr. D.G. Bhalke sir, who is head of this Startup Innovation Cell and Institution Innovation Council. So you come forward and just talk with Dr. Bhalke sir or me. We are there with you. All the best. Over to you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your motivation and introduction for Innovation and Startup Week celebration. Now I request our principal, Dr. D.S. Korvane sir, to address the participants.
Good afternoon, one and all. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, on the occasion of this awareness of incubation, I welcome Mr. Jagdish Patel from Sandeep Foundation. I congratulate and appreciate Dr. Gigi Malke, Mr. Gawai, and all faculty members of ENTC for organizing various activities, and specifically this today's activity under innovation and startup week, which we are celebrating, as mentioned, initiated by IQCCL and IIC said, Dr. Chaudhary and Dr. V.N. Patil also participating in these activities. So I congratulate both of them also. On the occasion of birth anniversary of APJ Abdul Kalam sir, nation every year celebrates this innovation and startup week. So we also started from this year, and I really appreciate all the heads of departments for taking initiatives. And lots of speakers and experts are invited, especially in innovation, incubation, startup, and IPR and copyrights related all that. I really, our students are fortunate; they are getting these inputs from different experts, and we are expecting some of the students should come forward and they should showcase their ideas, because many students have many ideas, but because of lack of knowledge, lack of information and support, they are unable to convert that in a patentable form or in a and then product form. So we have decided to establish a ecosystem. Patel Madam has rightly mentioned, we are in a pre-incubation stage, and we have association with South Pune University, we have association with MHRD and AICT through IIC and through this incubation, innovation and startup set. So a lot of initiatives are taken by various agencies, and nowadays only teaching, learning and getting degree is not at all sufficient. Rather, trying for getting a secure position in industry for individuals, better try for start your own startup and give the opportunity to others to work with you. And this scenario is really nowadays government, central government, state governments, all are supporting. Lots of funds are available. Lots of funding agencies are available. Just so you should have some information. So keeping in mind, we have decided to organize various webinars, expert sessions, and really appreciate all the experts. They are giving good inputs for the students. I do agree some students may be feeling that we are attending so many webinars and experts, but definitely it is very, very beneficial to all of you. So do attend, because regular study, theory, exam, and that you are doing. But considering the future requirement, you should know all this. And many companies are also expecting students should have knowledge of all other aspects. It is also supporting for the students, those who are joining some establishments or companies. So I expect because of this 1 week various activities, we are expecting some students will come forward and definitely think for the startup or some presenting, publishing some patents. Will give the required support. Whatever required support, we will give the required support. Maybe technical support, maybe financial support, because there are so many agencies available, so many supporting ecosystems are available in and around Pune, in Pune also. So students will take initiative, and because if you see, there are 2-3 startup already started for our students, and they are doing fantastic now. I think 1 or 2 students are just passed out, and they are continuously in touch with us, and they are mentioning, sir, we are doing very well and we are earning good amount, and we are also giving opportunity to others. That's why nowadays it is essential to look in that angle instead of looking for any job. And at least job you'll get, definitely you'll get job, but instead of looking for job seeker, I appeal all of you should become job provider. So I'll not take much time. Once again, I congratulate all of you for organizing this session for the students, and I appeal all the students to take benefit of this type of activities, which will be beneficial for knowledge point of view, it will be, and I appeal HOD to take note of all the attending students. Those are attending regularly, continuously such of activities. Definitely take note of this. Give the benefit of such students in future while assessing those such students. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thanks for your guidance and encouragement to organize number of activities under innovation and startup. Now I request Mrs. R.R. Ikkarkar ma'am to introduce our today's guest, Mr. Jagdish Patel.
Yes, thank you, ma'am. Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. I, Professor Ikkarkar, highly honored to introduce a speaker, Mr. Jagdish Patel, sir. Sir is working as an incubator manager of Sandeep Technology Business Incubator, managed by Sandeep Incubator Association and supported by Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, Government of India. Sir is also working as a convener of Innovations and Entrepreneur Development Cell, funded by Department of Science and Technology, Government of India, New Delhi. He is also president of Ministry of Education, Government of India, Institute Innovation Cell. Sir has received a grant of around 7 lakh for conduction of entrepreneur awareness programs from Government of India. He has also received a grant of rupees 2 lakh from Innovation Entrepreneur Development Cell for research project development. He has published 53 papers and 1 patent. He has delivered many sessions on startups, innovation and entrepreneurship. We welcome you, sir, on behalf of AISSMS ENTC Department and IIC Cell, and request you to address our students and the participants.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
So, yeah, should I continue?
Yes, sir. Sure.
Yes.
Okay. Fine. So, I'm going to share my presentation. So, it is visible.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Just give me a confirmation whether slides are changing or not.
Yes, sir. Slides are also changing.
Fine. Okay. So, good afternoon, one and all. So, I am Jagdish Patel, going to give you a brief about everything you should know about incubation. So, there are a few highlighted points which I am going to explain you or brief you about, such as what is incubation center, right? First thing, what is startups? How the startup idea should get selected, right? What are the parameters we should consider while selecting the startup? After that, which are the different funding schemes from where we can fetch a seed funding to grow our startups? What is the difference between incubation center and accelerator center, right? And what are the different activities which are carried out in incubation and what services we can receive from incubation center? So these are the basic key highlighted points which I am going to brief you about today in this session. So starting with the introductory part of where I am. So here I am working as an incubation manager of Sandeep Technology Business Incubator. We have been supported by Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, Government of India, under Mighty Startup Hub Type 2.0 program. Basically, this incubation center is located in Sandeep Foundation Campus, Nasik, which is a Section 8 registered company, which is a different entity registered under Sandeep Group of Institution. The basic meaning of Sandeep word, which is a trademark name, is nothing but startup asset nurturing through diversified and innovative platform. So this one is the meaning of our Sandeep word, in which we are going to nurture you and provide you an innovative platform to mold your ideas, to provide you support. After that, about our incubation center, Sandeep Incubator is a setup to promote innovation and entrepreneurship by converting and translating technology ideas and innovation in various disciplines of science and engineering into product, process and services for commercial development and the benefit of community. So to achieve its goal, Sandeep runs and manage a technology business incubator, which stands for TBI, at Sandeep Institute of Technology and Research Center to facilitate incubation of new enterprise with innovative technologies by admitting them in TBI and providing them physical, technical, and networking support and services. So these are nothing but the main objective of this incubation center. So to promote this, our vision is Sandeep TBI will create an ecosystem that will foster, support innovation and knowledge-based entrepreneurship amongst the nearby community, leading to creation of wealth and social values through successful venture. And the mission is to provide an environment to translate knowledge and innovation into the creation of successful enterprise. So to promote this vision and mission, we are being supported by different grants, which we are providing to support the startups, such as we are being supported by 170 lakhs funds from MIT, Government of India, New Delhi, 60 lakhs fund from DST, Government of India, New Delhi, 14 lakhs fund from AICTE under SPDC AQIS program, and 50 lakhs fund from Sandeep University, Nasik. So these are the total funds we are being received, and we are providing this for the development of the students and for their startups. Now, which are the different activities we are running under Sandeep TBI ecosystem or Sandeep ecosystem? So we have started our journey from 2015-16 by organizing and promoting the entrepreneurship among the students through awareness programs. So that then we have received a grant for that, and that the name of the funding agency is DST NIMAT program, right? After that, we came up with, in 2016, we came up with DST funded IDC. DST means Department of Science and Technology. They have provided us a fund of 50 lakhs to set up IDC. IDC stands for Innovation Entrepreneurship Development Cell, under which we are selecting a student project, and we are providing them a fund to develop the prototype, and we are converting that prototype into the startup. I'm going to explain you each and everything in coming slides. So after that, every year we are doing this activity, and this one is 5th consecutive year we have been received the grant. Now after that, we came up with MHRD IIC, that is now it is Ministry of Education, MOE, Institute Innovation Council Cell, under which we have to run different activities, and the same AISSM is also doing the same activities, right? Also, after that, we have been collaborated with BARC Akruti under Akruti program to support, to solve the rural issues through a technology, right? We are finding the rural issues, nearby villages, what are the issues they are facing, and we are solving that issues by providing a technology solution. After that, we came up with UBA, Unnat Bharat Abhiyan, under which we have adopted few villages, and we are in monthly we are having a meet with them, and we solve their issues. We provide them through a funding. We provide them a technological supports to develop that particular village. And in 2018, we form a Section 8 registered company, that is Sandeep TBI, and under which we have been that is an incubation center, and we have received a grant of 1,70 lakhs from MIT, Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, Government of India, under Type 2.0 program. And we are running, and we are selecting the startups. We are providing seed funding to the startups. So this was our journey which we have been started from last 5 years. Now these are the roadmap of our achievement. Basically, we have received a grant of 6,90,000. After that, we have received a grant of 46, and now we have received a grant of 170 lakhs. It is basically, this grant is utilized for the development of student project, startups in the field of innovation and entrepreneurship development. Now, how many startups are enrolled? Total 38 startups are enrolled under our Sandeep TBI. See, there are different stages of startup. I'm going to explain you which are the different stages in coming slide through one diagram. So here, 8 startups are in ideation stage. They are having just an idea, and we are molding their ideas, and we are providing them a support to convert that ideas to take further that ideas. After that, we are having 10 startups which are in validation stage. They are validating their idea, right? After that, 12 startups are in scaling stage, means they have tested their product and now they are scaling their product to a MVP level, that is minimal viable product. And 8 startups are commercialized and they are generating the revenue in the market. So this one is nothing but our journey. Now, what supports we are providing? See, every incubation center is providing a support, right? So support in terms of what? If you are enrolled, if your startup is enrolled under any of the incubation center, right? So incubation center means what? See, try to understand the meaning of incubation. Incubation means if the small baby is born, right? So we are providing that baby is new to the environment, right? It is new to the environment. But what we are providing them an ecosystem. We are providing them a support, right? In terms of incubation. Incubation means we are providing them oxygen, right, to the baby, so that he can be matured and he can be and he can stand alone with his own feet, right? And he can develop, he can try to walk. So that is nothing but at the same time, if you have a startup is nothing but what? You should have an idea, right? If you are having that idea is alone, so it needs a support. So you came down to incubation center will provide you support to take further that idea up to a certain level, right? And for that you require a number of things. You require a support in terms of funding, you require a support in terms of mentorship, you require a space to develop your product or your idea or your startup. After that, maker space where you will get a components at reasonable rate or for testing point of view. After that, you will there will be some workshop or we can say accelerator programs where you will come to know about how to prepare a business plan, right? What is market survey, market support. After that, how to protect your idea. See, every idea should be protected, so that protection can be provided with the help of IPR support, right? After that, what accounting or financial things we should carry out for development of the startup, so that stands for financial support. After that, networking assistant. Networking means you will provide a network to stand alone in a market, right? To launch your product in a market. So this complete thing will be provided under one roof, and that roof is called as incubation center, right? Where you will get each and every support, and that is nothing but incubation. Now I will explain you a difference between incubator and accelerator. See, I will explain you in next coming slide, that will be better. So here, see how to start a startup. Now everyone come in across the world startups, right? But what exactly startup is? Startup is nothing but what? Suppose if you are having an idea, आपके पास सिर्फ idea है, right? But उस idea को आगे कैसे लेके जाना है? See, I will explain you a positive and negative, means what we can say advantage and disadvantage of startups, right? So idea अगर आती है, see, everyone come across number of ideas in every day, right? But exactly what that idea will be helpful to you to start a startup, you have to check that, right? So what is missing? You have to check what is missing, right? How to take this idea and whether this idea will be, we can say, stand in a market. So you have to do a market survey. You have to do the analysis whether that idea should be there. If you completed everything and if you launch that idea in a market, but already that particular idea or that particular product or that particular startups is already available in the market. So whether you will get a platform to generate a revenue, you have to think about it. आपको ये सोचना चाहिए. Why? Because see, startup fail क्यों होता है? Because आप लोग सोच लेते हो कि yes मेरे पास idea है, right? और आप लोग उसके ऊपर काम करने लग जाते हो. But आपने सबसे पहले मार्केट सर्वे करना है. You have to do the market survey. क्यों मार्केट सर्वे करना है? Because कि मैं जो आइडिया लेके जाने वाला हूँ आगे, आई एम गोइंग टू टेक फर्दर दिस आइडिया, वेदर दिस आइडिया ये पीपल मींस ये मार्केट जो है, कम्युनिटी जो है, सोसाइटी जो है, वो एक्सेप्ट करेगी, वेदर दे विल बी एबल टू बाय दिस प्रोडक्ट, राइट, सस्टेन दिस इन अ मार्केट. ये आपको सोचना है. सो यू हैव टू थिंक बिफोर टेकिंग फर्दर दैट आइडिया. उसके ऊपर काम करने से पहले आपको 10 बार सोचना है. You have to, for that you have to come across number of peoples. आपको इसको पूछना है to your faculties, to the mentor, to your family members, to your friends, to your society. आपको सबकी तरफ से every from 40 to 50 persons you should come across, and you should take the feedback of that. And after that you decide whether what the feedback is given by the society and your friend circle. जो feedback आपको मिला है उसके ऊपर आपको देखना है कि whether really this is going to sustain in a market. और उसके बाद after that, see here, show the prototype. After that you have to make a prototype, right? After that you have to make a prototype. Prototype क्या होता है? What is prototype? This is technical word, right? Prototype means आप जो project बनाते हो, that is prototype. एक सिंपल छोटा सा मॉड्यूल बनाना है. देखो आप लोगों ने पहले मार्केट सर्वे कर लिया, फीडबैक ले लिया, बट आफ्टर दैट यू हैव टू डिजाइन अ प्रोटोटाइप. आपको एक छोटा मॉड्यूल बनाना है. उस मॉड्यूल को वापस जिन लोगों को आप लोगों ने पूछा है, अगेन यू हैव टू शो देम दैट प्रोटोटाइप. यस, दिस वन इज माय प्रोटोटाइप, जो मैंने आपसे डिस्कस किया था फ्यू मंथ्स बैक. उसके ऊपर मैंने काम करके ये प्रोटोटाइप या ये फिर मॉड्यूल बनाया है. और नाउ प्रोवाइड मी अ फीडबैक, गिव मी अ फीडबैक. उनसे वापस फीडबैक लेना है, राइट? यू हैव टू टेक द फीडबैक फ्रॉम देम आल्सो. And after getting the feedback, then you decide whether I have to move further or I have to stop here. So two check is very compulsory for any startups. If you fail to do these 2 checks, then definitely you will going to be failure. And if you success to do these 2 checks, then definitely you are going to be successful. First check is market survey, that is theoretical, and second is practical, right? After that your journey starts. उसके बाद आपका journey start होता है, that is called as startup journey. Then you have to form a company. First उसके पहले आपको co-founder form करने हैं, right? क्योंकि आप अकेले काम नहीं कर सकते हो. You have to take a team. So आपको team form करनी है. After that you have to register your company. कौन सी company register करनी है, private limited या फिर LLP या फिर partnership, ये आपको ध्यान में रखना है. आफ्टर दैट यू हैव टू फॉर्म लीगल फॉर्मेलिटीज. उसके बाद आता है IPR. उसके बाद आपको IPR फाइल करना है. IPR इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. सी IPR अगर आप नहीं फाइल करते हो, देन आप बीन पोजीशन टू क्लेम दैट आइडिया फॉर दैट आइडिया. कोई भी ले सकता है. इसीलिए सबसे पहले कंपनी रजिस्टर योर आइडिया. बिकॉज देखो आइडिया रजिस्टर करने के लिए आपको बहुत ज्यादा चीजों की जरूरत नहीं होती है, राइट? यू विल गेट 10 to 12 months. आप उसके अंदर बाकी की चीजें कर सकते हो. बट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल रजिस्टर योर आइडिया, राइट? पेटेंट रजिस्ट्रेशन कर लो, जो भी करना है, बट IPR रजिस्ट्रेशन करो. आफ्टर दैट यू मूव फर्दर एंड वी कैन से राइट अ प्रपोजल एंड अवेल अ फंडिंग. अभी ये प्रपोजल, फंडिंग, कंपनी फॉर्मेशन, फाउंडर, राइट, IPR सपोर्ट, ये सब चीजें कहां पर मिलेगी आपको? ये सब चीजें आपको उसके लिए यू हैव टू गो एंड अप्रोच टू इंक्यूबेशन सेंटर. इंक्यूबेशन सेंटर के बाद आपको जाना है और वहां पर उनको पूछना है कि सी आई हैव अ प्रोटोटाइप बट मुझे अभी ये चीजों की जरूरत है. सो आप यू कैन एनरोल मी अंडर योर इंक्यूबेशन सेंटर एंड प्रोवाइड मी अ सपोर्ट. सो दैट सपोर्ट, ये जो चीजें यहाँ से देखो, ये जो यूटर्न है, यहाँ से आपको इंक्यूबेशन सेंटर की जरूरत है, राइट? सो इंक्यूबेशन सेंटर की स्टार्टिंग से भी जरूरत हो सकती है, बट मेन रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ सपोर्ट इज नेसेसरी फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट ऑफ, राइट? सो यहां से आपको लास्ट तक इंक्यूबेशन की सेंटर की जरूरत है. आफ्टर दैट क्या होता है? उसके बाद आपको फंडिंग मिल गई. यू विल रिसीव द फंडिंग फ्रॉम इंक्यूबेशन सेंटर और एनी अदर सोर्स, राइट? आफ्टर दैट यू विल स्टार्ट डेवलपिंग योर प्रोटोटाइप. आपका एक प्रोटोटाइप छोटा सा पार्ट होता है, उसको आप लोग बड़े पार्ट में कन्वर्ट करते हो, राइट? दैट इज कॉल्ड एज MVP. That is minimum valuable product, right? MVP. उसका क्या होता है? MVP is nothing but ये second testing है, right? Before launching in a market. आप एक product ready कर लेते हो, वो product 100% full proof नहीं होता है, but right 80% full proof होता है. And उस product को आप लोग वापस testing करेंगे environment के अंदर, society के साथ. And after that, by getting a suggestions, you can modify that. With the help of suggestion or feedback you have been received, आप उसको modify करेंगे and after that final product आप ready करके उसको market में launch करेंगे, right? इसीलिए देखो यहाँ पर लिखा हुआ है कि you can check it from 1000 of users and right, and उसके बाद आप लोग क्या करेंगे? Again you are going to modify it and modify होने के बाद you can launch in a market. आप उसको market में launch करेंगे. राइट। मार्केट में लॉन्च करने के बाद भी आपको बहुत सारी चीजें को मॉडिफिकेशंस करते रहना पड़ेगा, राइट। यू हैव टू कीप कंटिन्यूअसली मॉनिटरिंग, मॉडरेटिंग एंड अपडेटिंग योर प्रोडक्ट, राइट, टिल अप टू 2 or 3 years, जब तक आपको एग्जैक्ट आपका रेवेन्यू जनरेट नहीं होता है। और हर साल एवरी टाइम यू शुड ग्रो बाय 5%, 10%, राइट। इफ द ग्रोथ इज कंटिन्यूअस बाय 5 to 10%, डेफिनेटली you will be succeed at last. And this is nothing but the exact startup, right? How it should be from the idea stage to the successful stage. These are nothing but the journey, or the we can say steps of the startups. See, here this one is again मैंने just आपको एक brief out किया है. See, this one is complete detailed diagram and this one is just a brief out. See, idea ये सबसे starting में होती है, right? At the starting you have an idea. After that, you are going to define a proof of concept with the help of small prototype. For that, you require funding. But एक छोटा सा prototype बनाने के लिए funding आप लोग avail कर सकते हो from your friends and family, right? यहाँ तक तो आप लोग आ जाएंगे. But before moving further from this, you require a grant, that is prototyping fundings. हम लोग उसको कहते हैं seed funding. At this particular stage, right? You will require a funding. And this can be achieved or you will get from different platforms, which I am going to explain you in the coming slide. Right after that, you will with the help of that funding you will develop a MVP. That is, आप एक product develop करेंगे, foolproof product, right? And you will launch that product in the market. After that, there are series. See, launching, आपको you have to do modifications continuously. You have to monitor your product, and then somewhat you will grow in a market. And after growing, you will, after 1 year or 2 year duration, after that you will launch your product in a large scale, right? हम लोग उसको कहते हैं scale up stage. So this one is ideation stage, this one is validation stage, this one is scaling stage, and this one is commercialization stage. So these are the 4 different stage जो मैंने पीछे बताया था, right? So these are the 4 different stage. आपका startup, your startup will undergo through, right? Now, which are the different fundings available in the market? So there are a number of fundings available in the market, right? But I am going to highlight you most fundings which are there in the market. First is National Science and Technology Entrepreneurship Development Board. उसको हम लोग कहते हैं NSTEDB, under the aegis of Department of Science and Technology, New Delhi. So this board is running under the aegis of DST, right? And you will receive a number of fundings under this DST. There are a number of fundings. Right? See, every funding is having different criteria. You have to undergo the guidelines of that particular funding. और ये काम करता है incubation center, right? They will guide you which are the different guide according to your requirement. They will guide you a different funding schemes. They will help you to write down the proposal and they will help you to give the presentation. I will explain you how you are going to get the funding, right, in the coming slides. After that, next one is Atal Innovation Mission under Niti Aayog. Right, this one is one of the largest funding which they are providing of 5 to 10 crores, right? But for individual startup, you can avail a funding up to 50 lakhs or 1 crore. After that, Technology Industry Research Asset Council, that is BRAC. It is called as well-known name is BRAC, right? So this is nothing but the fundings, another type of funding which provided by an incubation center or the government of India. Next is fourth one is Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, MIT, under Type 2.0 scheme. This one is a scheme where we are providing and we are supported by this MIT, right? After that, the next one is Ministry of Micro, Small, Medium Enterprise. That is, we called it at MSME, right? MSME. So which are providing a funding for to scale up your startup. Again, this one is state funding, that is Maharashtra State Innovation Society. Right, it is MSINS, right? This one is funding which is provided to the startup or the incubation centers which are there in Maharashtra. After that, there is another type of funding, that is CSR funding, Corporate Social Responsibilities Fund. Means this fund is provided, or this funding is provided by well-known companies. They are having certain CSR funding generated from their profit, and they are providing this, utilizing this funding for the development of startups. After that, also fundings are available on Startup India portal. See, so there are very important things, 2 things you have to do, right? One, you have to register your startup on Startup India portal, right? After forming an idea and after registering your company. For that, you should For that, the basic requirement is there should be a registered company of your startups. This is the first requirement. So after registering your company, you have to register your startup on Startup India portal. Right? There are a number of advantages of registering on Startup India portal. Right? And anyone can register. The basic requirement is you should have a partnership company. You should have, or you should have a LLP type company, or you should have a private limited company. These are the three basic requirements. Right? After that, after doing this, you can avail a number of fundings which are available every day on Startup India portal, right? And another second important thing is you should register your startup under DPIIT, that is Department of Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade, which is one of the important recognition. This is recognition certificate, right? Which is required for your startups, right? To get or to avail number of fundings, which are remaining fundings, right? So it add a value to your startups. So these are the two important things you should do. Now, these are the funding things. Now, which type of mentorship the startup is required? So we require a number of mentorship, number of different types of mentorship. R&D mentorship for our startup or for prototype development, legal mentorship for IPR, business plan development, mentorship required for business plan development, mentorship required for fund generation, market survey, sales and marketing, and connect to society. So these are the different types of mentorship we require, and which will be provided through you will get a support through a incubation center. Now, co-working space. This space is required because you don't have a space, you don't have office, right? So where you are going to develop your product, so you require something, facilities, right? So that can be provided with the help of incubation center. It may be computer support, it may be internet support, IT support, technical support, whatever the support you require, right? After that, makerspace, from where you can avail a component to develop a small prototype before going for a large value. So it will save your money, right? So we have electronics and mechanical and robotics club. So we are providing a support to startups for this in this particular domain. After that, legal and IPR support. I already told you that you should register your you should register your startup, right, in one of the three different domains, that is patent, trademark, and copyright. These are called as IPR. After that, we or any incubation center is organizing number of events, right? Boot camps, such as boot camps, theme-based workshops, connect with professional experts, consultants, and advisors of incubated companies, connect with experts in different domains, programs on entrepreneurship development. So these are helpful to you to increase your connect, right? And you will come to know different number of terms which are required for development of the startups through these particular programs. Now, see, these are our thrust areas, but every incubation center is having different thrust areas. Thrust areas means specialized areas where we are working, right? So the digital services and product, in which IoT, cloud, AI/ML, big data, cybersecurity, social media, and e-commerce. After that, e-waste and plastic waste management, manufacturing, agriculture, healthcare and bioincubation, embedded system and VLSI, 3D printing and robotics. So these are our thrust areas, and not limited to this. If anyone from different areas, we will have a discussion, and after that, if we require that, this is definitely the startup is very we can say very viable. We can say it can grow in a large scale, then we can enroll that particular startup also. Now, see how it is. See, incubation center provide a support to a startup, right? But how it is possible? It is possible by connecting and growing a network with different organizations. So we have signed MOUs, and this network can be increased by signing the MOUs. That is called as momentum of understanding, right? Or we can say we sign a linkages, right? We sign an agreement that you can provide us a student, we are going to provide you a platform, right? We are going to support your students. So we have signed a number of MOUs with different organizations, such as KPIT Sparkle, Amravati University, SMBT Medical College, MCD, that is Maharashtra Center for Entrepreneurship Development, Nasik Municipal Smart City Development Corporation Limited, Sardar Patel Technology Business Incubator Mumbai, SPPU Innovation Cell, Naval Vadia Institute of Management Studies and Research, Pravara Rural Education Society, College of Pharmacy Chincholi, Pratibha College of Commerce and Computer Science Chinchwad, AIC BAMU, that is Aurangabad, Baba Saheb Ambedkar Marathwada University, After that, we are in a process to sign a MOU with 3 to 4 different organizations, and which will be completed in by the end of this month. So in this way, we are running our activities. We are also providing a incubation support, or we are providing a guideline to establish an incubation center, being an advisory of SMBT Medical College and Neville Wadia Institute of Management Studies and Research, Pune. So we are guiding them how to establish the incubation centers. Now these are our partners, those who have been associated, we are associated with them, they are associated with us, and exchanging of ideas and number of things, we are running our incubation activities. Now next is very important. What should be there in your startups, right? That is evaluation parameters and preferences for the startup. How we are, suppose I am the agency, right? I am the incubation center, being a person of incubation center. So how I am going to select your ideas? So these are the different things. It should be there in your idea. It should be there in your startup. Then only you are going to get a funding. First one is uniqueness. How the idea is different from the existing solution in a market. That is called as market survey. And this is the first step. This is the first check you have to check, right? There should be uniqueness. Then only the people are going to accept your idea. Then only they are going to purchase your startup, right? Second one is impact. How the problems and solutions you are addressing is relevant to the society, right? Because see, your idea is going to purchase by a society, right? Not particular by 1 or 2 members. So you have to check whether this particular product or idea or startups is going to solve the society problem. Then you will get a good growth, right? Third one is proof of concept. Does it has a POC, that is to develop a prototype, right? Proof of concept means whether it is really helpful to develop a prototype. So you have to check it. Time frame, can the project be completed in a given time frame? If you are thinking to complete it in 1 year and you will take 3 years, then there is a huge loss of time as well as money, right? And new idea will be existing in a market, and your idea will be, no one is there to look after your idea, right? So that's why you have to decide a time frame. And sustainability. Is the innovation sustainable technically as well as in the market for a longer period of time? You have to check this, because if you are wasting number of money, right? You are wasting your time, your efforts, your hard work, and if you are thinking that my idea should be there only for 1 year or 2 years, then it will be of no use. You cannot generate a revenue in 1 or 2 years. If your idea should be at least it should be sustainable for 5 to 10 years. Then only you can generate a revenue out of it. Otherwise, it will be of no use. Now, how you will get a funding, right? Which are the different steps? So, application and selection flowchart, right? So, first of all, we miss every incubation center open a call for applications. So, you have to prepare a proposal. You have to submit that proposal to the incubation center, right? After that, incubation center internally evaluate and filter out your criteria based on the criteria. If you are matching the criteria of the incubation center, then definitely you will be selected for next round. Otherwise, your idea will be cancelled, right? Or it will not be selected. After that, there will be first round. That is called as online pre, right? After that, they will exactly evaluate your why you are coming, why you need a center funding, right? Why you need a funding. It is really a requirement, is the real requirement of your prototype, right? Or you are just pitching that for to get a funding, right? After that, exactly the parameters which I have been listed in the last slide, right? External committee is going to check that parameters. After that, you will be selected for next round, right? After in round number 2, you have to give the presentation, or you have to pitch your ideas in front of different experts from the different community, right? Or it may be from government sector, it may be from different incubation center, or it depends on the incubation center, right? So from that, based on the evaluation report provided by the experts, your final idea will be selected and you will receive a grant. So these are the basic steps, right, which are required, and if you fulfill all the requirement, then only you will get a grant. Otherwise, you will not be able to eligible for a grant. And these are the common steps for any incubation center. Now this year we have been selected total 4 startups, but we are providing a funding of 4 lakhs to these 2 startups, Devende Engineers LLP and Management Forum, and 7 lakh rupees for Payweb Resources Private Limited and Drishti. Right. So these are the 4 startups to which we have been provided a funding of near about we can say 22 lakhs. These are the total funding we have been received from different sources in last 5 years. The count goes to 2,37 lakhs 52,558. And these are the onboarded startups under Sandeep TBI. See here, I have already told you that. See, DPIIT recognition number. This is very important, right? You will get a number and you will get a certificate, right? Few of the startups having that number, few are under the under process, right? So this one is a history. Not I'm going to give the detail about this. And see, this one is a graph, right? So here, blue color shows the incubated startups. Now there are 2. I will explain you in last slide. See, this one is 26 are in startups are under incubation, 8 startups are under pre-incubation, 4 are funded by MIT under MIT schemes, and total 38 startups are there. Out of which 11 startups are having DPIIT recognition number. So this is the history of our incubation center. Now few of the startups have received and are there in the market and generating a good revenue out of it, right? Such as Coinbase sanitary napkin vending machine, Retro Brownfield smart agriculture based grape field monitoring system, petrolless engine mechanism. After that, Kunde Dairy Farm Private Limited, Sinnar, COVID help desk project called Nasik Seva, Payweb Resources Private Limited, and Drishti. These are the startups which are there in the market and having are generating good revenue out of it. These are the achievement of our incubators. Mr. Janak Kunde has been selected to the 5th Global Entrepreneur Bootcamp 2019 in Bangkok, Thailand. Mr. Janak Kunde has awarded by Jilla Parishad as Adarsha Gopalak. After that, Miss Yojna Varkhede has received a Women Achiever Award 2018 from Spandan Foundation. One of the incubators, Mr. Shubham Kulkarni, has awarded in IEEE Bombay Section Congress 2019. After that, these are the achievements. One of the startup or the incubators named Mr. Gokul T and Apurva Somavanshi has been received, and they have secured a winning position in I2E competition organized by SPPU Center for Innovation and Incubation Cell. One of the startup named Eternox Innovation secured a winning position in MIT Summit 21, and they have received a funding cash prize of rupees 50,000. These are the newspaper press release of our incubation center details. Now these are the activities under incubation center. These are the activities. See, this one is our incubation cell, and we are running these different types of activities for the student development, right? Through different types of programs. You can right, and number of we can say different teams of different organization colleges are visiting and understanding the. See, this one is nothing but the KTHM college. They have been visited our incubation center, and they are understanding the activities what we are running, right? And these are the students. We are preaching their product in front of different experts. So these are the activities which we are performing day to day for the development of the startups. And these are the prototype developed under IDC from last 5 years. These are the few prototypes, right, by the students. And also we have filed a IPR, and a few of the startups are there in the market. Now, who can enroll under Sandeep TBI and how? Anyone can enroll under Sandeep TBI, or anyone can enroll under any incubation center, right? And there are different enrollment process of every incubation center. So this one is process of enrollment of our incubation center. You have to send me a request, right? After that, before that, you have to pitch me your presentation. After receiving the request, I will send you the enrollment form. You have to fill all the details on enrollment form. It is 2 pages form. After that, you have to send that enrollment form to me through mail. I will verify that and take the approval from the head authority, governing body of incubation center. And based on that, there are two segments. One is pre-incubation and second one is incubation. Now, pre-incubation means what? Pre-incubation means you just have an idea. आपको कुछ भी पता नहीं है, आप totally blank हो, सिर्फ आपके पास एक अच्छा idea है, right? So आप उस pre-incubation segment में आते हो. And this segment is there for 6 months, right? देखो कैसे होता है, जब न्यूली बॉर्न बेबी बॉर्न होता है तो हम लोग को उसको चलने तक, राइट, वो चलता जब तक है तब तक हम लोग उसको क्या करते हैं, वी ट्रीट हिम एज, वी टेक केयर ऑफ हिम वेरी केयरफुली, राइट, हम लोग उसको बहुत ख्याल रखते हैं, एंड वी टीच हिम टू हाउ टू स्टार्ट, राइट, वॉकिंग. और जब वो चलने लग जाएगा तो हम लोग उसको छोड़ देते हैं. द सेम थिंग, सेम मैनर, व्हेन योर आइडिया इज नॉट मैच्योर्ड, राइट, इट इज जस्ट आइडिया, तो हम लोग उसको प्री इंक्यूबेशन सेगमेंट में डालते हैं. देन वी विल गाइड यू. जो यूटर्न था ना, यूटर्न, तो यूटर्न के ऊपर वाला जो पार्ट था, दैट इज प्री इंक्यूबेशन. वी विल गाइड यू हाउ टू डू मार्केट सर्वे, आपके आइडिया का प्रोटोटाइप कैसे बनाना है, एंड व्हेन you will be mature, then we will register your idea in one of the company, and जब कंपनी रजिस्टर होती है then it will take a 6 month duration, हो ही जाता है, right, minimum 6 month duration, and after that we will move you to the incubation segment. Incubation segment is nothing but segment where your idea is mature. देखो ऐसे भी नहीं होता है, every time we will move you in a pre incubation. अगर आपके पास आइडिया है, आपके पास प्रोटोटाइप है, आपका आइडिया मैच्योर्ड है, आपके पास कंपनी है रजिस्टर, then we will directly put you in incubation segment, right? Nominal charges होते हैं हर incubation center के to provide you a service for pre incubation and incubation. अगर आप वो पेमेंट करते हो directly in account of the incubation center, then you will get a confirmation letter from incubation center that yes, you have your confirmation or your enrollment is confirmed, and you can now further you can take avail about the facilities of incubation center, right? And these are nothing but the process of enrollment of under incubation center. So here I'm going to end up. Thank you so much. I'm open for your questions.
Hello students, if you are having any question, you can put it in chat box.
Patel sir, I have one question.
Yes sir, sure.
So how to establish Section 8 company? If suppose our college want to start incubation center, so can you give some guideline?
Sir, for that you have to establish a Section 8 company.
Yes.
For that you have to hire one CA,
Okay.
and you have to complete a document procedure for that. For that you have to decide a director body for that.
Okay.
Right? That we can call it as a governing body, right? Because they will be the stakeholder or shareholder of that company. And for incubation center, sir, Section 8 registered company is preferable. Why? Because it is transferable and it is we can say recommended by a government.
Okay.
Because it is non-profit organization. Whatever the fund you have been receiving in that, you are utilizing that fund for the development of the student startups.
So where is that office where we can approach?
No sir, you can approach to your CA. He will complete.
Yeah, okay, CA will do that.
Yes sir, yes sir. And for that, but for that you have to decide a governing body, director body, and for that you have to that is the basic part required. And after that it comes CEO, it comes manager, it comes we can say project officers supporting.
Okay.
Because every incubation center there are fixed positions which has been defined by a government of India.
Okay, sir.
And that are the positions required to run the incubation center.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Now, and if our students have some ideas and if they want to take help of your incubation center, so how we should approach?
Sir, yeah, we are there to help you, but we request you to sign one MOU with our incubation center.
Okay, sir.
That MOU will be non-commercial MOU. There will be
Okay.
no commercial terms involved in that MOU.
Okay.
Right? We have signed a MOU with different organizations. So being a part, and we have a relations from so many years. So we request you to sign one MOU with us, and
Yes.
definitely we will help your students or anyone coming from your reference.
Yes.
Right? We can say to provide him a support in all domains.
Yes, and online your counseling you can also do through the incubation center for our student?
Online, yes, sir. There is no need to come here. We can do it online also. We will form we will conduct one meeting online, and based on their requirement or based on their we can say problems, we will provide a solution.
Yes, sir. We will do, sir. Now immediately, I will contact you.
Yes,
We'll
sir.
sign the MOU. Yes, sir. Yeah. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Sir, I want to ask one question.
Yes, yes.
Sir, actually, one of our student is implementing a project, but the costing of the project is somewhat 40K, and hence nobody is there with him. He's alone doing his project. So as Balke said that, can you help him like in that way? Maybe technically or maybe even funding wise, like.
First of all, means I request you to have a meeting with him, because I want to, I should, first of all, I will understand the idea about exactly he want to develop, right? Definitely, if he required, if he required a technical support, then we will provide him a technical support. About funding, it will be, after having a presentation and after having a discussion only. If required, then we will provide.
Okay, sir. So soon,
Yeah.
maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow, I'll contact you, and so if you
Yeah,
can provide
you
your
can-
mail ID, I can forward his idea to you, and we can proceed then, sir.
No issue, ma'am. No issue. I am going to we can say put my details in a chat box. Right. Yes. Anyone?
Yes, any questions from student and participant? Please ask.
So I have put my details in the chat box. You can note down and but I will request all the students you come through a faculty so that I will come to know exactly.
Yes, sir, sure.
Yeah.
So,
Yes, language is not the barrier. You can teach me in a Marathi. You can teach me in a. If you are in doubt, you can discuss with me in a Hindi also. No issue.
Yes, any questions from student? Please ask.
Piyush, are you there?
Okay, this one.
Ma'am, I think Piyush is not there in the
Yes,
meeting.
yes, yes.
Miss ma'am, or we can any staff member can also have a discussion with me regarding if the students is not.
ऍक्च्युली दोन प्रोजेक्ट्स आहेत सर रोबोट वरती, आणि तुमचा एक्सपर्ट एरिया रोबोट आहे, त्यामुळे वी विल बी इंटरेस्टेड इन दॅट इज MOU विथ यू, अँड विल बी इंटरेस्टेड इन जॉइनिंग यू, सर.
काही नो इश्यू मॅम, नो इश्यू, काही अडचण नाही आहे आम्हाला. तसं मी म्हणजे भालके सरांच्या, गवई सरांच्या कॉन्टॅक्ट मध्ये आहे. तुम्ही म्हणजे सरांशी बोलणं झालंच आहे, तर काही अडचण नाही. तुम्ही मला कॉन्टॅक्ट करा, आपण मदत होईल, जेवढी मदत होईल तेवढी आम्ही करायला तयार आहे. काय अडचण नाही.
चालेल सर, चालेल.
हो.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for guiding our students on incubation. It was really a wonderful session on how one can take his or her own idea to success. Okay, thank you so much, sir.
Okay.
Now
I am also very much thankful to Honorable Burmani sir, respected Balke sir, Gavai sir, and whole team of AISSMS for providing us a platform and to guide the students in this innovation, startup, and entrepreneurship domain. Thank you so much for providing such things.
Yeah, thank you very much, sir, for your detailed guidelines on the incubation center. So we are looking forward to you for establishing collaboration with you, sir.
No issues, sir. No issue. We are always there.
Yes, sir. Yes. Yeah. Thank
Now
you.
I request Mr. VB Gavai, sir, to present a vote of thanks for the team.
Thank you, ma'am. Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
So we sir take one photo of all students.
Yes, sir. Sir, should I take right now or after the vote of thanks?
I think you take, you see, as our regular procedure.
Okay, sir. After vote of thanks, I will just
Yeah,
tell all the students to turn on the video.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, sir. Thanks. So good afternoon all, respected principal sir, Dr. D.S. Burmane, respected HOD, the NTC department, Dr. D.G. Bhalke sir, ICC convener, Dr. V.N. Patil ma'am, and today is our resource speaker, Mr. Jagdish Patel sir, and all respected HODs present in the meeting, all faculty members and dear participant. It's my privilege to propose a vote of thanks and acknowledge the contribution of those who work hard for organizing this webinar. I take this opportunity to extend my sincere gratitude towards our Honorable Secretary, Shri Maluji Rajesh Chhatrapati, and all respected managing committee members for their continuous support and motivation. Special thanks to our beloved principal, Dr. D.S. Burmane sir, who always being a source of power and inspiration to all of us for organizing such events. He always motivates us. I also would like to thank our respected HOD sir, Dr. D.G. Bhalke, for his continuous support and guidance. I also thank Dr. V.N. Patil ma'am for giving us an opportunity to organize this event under this Innovation Week. And on behalf of AISSMS COE and Department of ENTC Engineering, I give my heartfelt thanks to our today's resource speaker, Mr. Jagdish Patel sir, Incubator Manager, Sandeep Foundation, for accepting our request conducting this webinar and sharing his knowledge amongst all the participants. Thank you, sir, for sparing your busiest time and gracing the occasion. With this deep sense of appreciation, I would like to thank our all faculty members, coordinators who work hard for this event. Again, I would like to thank all the participants for patient listening. Thank you. Thanks also. So I just request all the participants to just turn on your videos for a group photo session.
Gavi sir, enable videos, huh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I just make it. I request all participants to just turn on the videos so we can take a snapshot of it. Okay, done, sir. The feedback link is shared in the chat box. I request all the participants to just fill the feedback form.
Sir, I will take a leave.
Yes, sir, sure. Thanks a lot, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
सर फीडबॅक भरेपर्यंत आपण लिंक ओपन ठेवूयात, नंतर मी मीटिंग एंड करेल.